Professor?
Ah, hello. Welcome to Leadership Journey Mathematics 101. I am Professor Chachki. How are you today?
Wow, I'm doing great, Professor Chotsky. Interesting. I'm curious, would you happen to know the infamous Dr. Matthew Chodkowski, since your name sounds so familiar?
Yes, I am Professor Chachki. Let's be clear about this. The Kowski is my cousin, the wise one, as everybody insists on calling him. We're not talking about him anymore today. And you are Kit Allowitz? Allowitz?
Close. That's fairly close, Professor. It's Kit Allowitz.
Okay, fine. All right, Kit, let's get started. Today, I will refer you to card number 72 in your handy card principal guide.
Oh, okay, yeah. Card number 72 says, in a negative environment, even principles don't work.
Perfect. As you see it written here, we'll have this here for reference. Excellent. Now, we're going to talk about how this relates to the mathematical principle also found in the principles, and I will ask you to read card number 1.
Okay, yes. Card number 1, it's a formula, and maybe I'll read the formula and say it again for you if that's helpful. It says behavior is a function of the person interacting with their environment, or B equals F function P times E.
Perfect. So simplified, B equals P times E. And the beautiful thing is we will see the interaction between the principle 72 and a negative environment. Even the principles don't work. And this wonderful equation, the behavior is the equivalent of the person interacting or people interacting with their environment. Let me demonstrate. So first, if we have 0 people, your environment simply does not matter. Why? 0 times anything is
0, I think.
No people, no behavior. Next, behavior equals people times environment. Now look, wonderful. We have people now. So now we have positive people. Positive people. Okay? Bigger plus sign. Positive. Now, what happens if we have a negative environment? Negative times a positive. Negative, destructive behavior. Not good. Not good. So, if then behavior equals P times E, we have our people, positive. The only way to get positive constructive behavior is to have a positive constructive environment. It's that simple, kid.
Ah, okay. Although I have to wonder though, if you have a positive environment, but you have a negative person and a negative environment, doesn't 2 negatives equal a positive?
Yes, kid. Of course, 2 negative equals a positive. No one likes it at all. I will now refer you to card number 5.
Ooh, that seems like great wisdom. Card number 5, I believe card number 5 says that people are more similar than different.
Correct. Are you a negative person, kid?
Oh, I hope not.
You're not. And people cannot be negatives in this equation. Since we're all more similar than different, we all have something positive to offer. And therefore, people can only be positives in this equation. And it's our job as leaders to understand that and therefore help to foster a positive environment so that ultimately we get our positive, constructive behavior.
Wow, was that a dry erase mark drop?
It certainly was, and well deserved.
Wow, that's shocking. I I've enjoyed your instruction here, although I have to say it feels like a little bit of a negative environment here. So I'm thinking for the next class that is being offered by Anderson Hauser, I'm going to have to sign up for Dr. Matthew Chodkowski's class, because isn't he the more wiser one anyway between the two of you?